Man, I'll tell you what, we've been picking up this camera a lot lately, haven't we? Well, Corvette is all anybody's talking about. That's all we talk about on this channel. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Rick Conti, a national Corvette sales specialist. Naturally, a Corvette freak, as I've been called. Okay, so what's your point? Hey, C7s are still rolling in. This is pretty cool, but I thought this would be interesting, also on topic, because everything right now seems to be about C8, but I told you we're still going to be incorporating C7 and C8 conversations, as we should, because this is, yeah, you know what, I still look at that car and smile. Yeah, damn straight, that's a beautiful car. But as we're getting in, as I'm looking over here at the Carrier, as I'm looking at the Carrier over here, one thing that I've been talking to some of my contacts, not confirmed yet from Chevrolet, he's already got a couple off here, but you can see the full truckload, okay? But the rumor is, when it comes to C8, there might be one less on the Carrier, meaning they only can carry so many. So if they're carrying one less, and this car number one is a little bit bigger than we realize, but if that's the case from the business sense, you're like, uh-oh, if they only can carry one less than what they're doing now, does that mean the destination price goes up? Just throwing it out there, guys. But here's the other thing you got to think about. Maybe it's not just size, maybe it's weight, because this is all weight consciousness. Chuck, Tulsa trucker, am I right? That's right. Well, you got to think about your load. It's not just the size, it's also the weight. So that could be a factor too that would determine if they're not going to carry 11 cars and rather just 10 cars to the dealership. Here's something else to think about. If you're on the West Coast and you order directly from your local dealership, comes out of Bowling Green Assembly, it's got to go rail car out there, man. Issues have been a lot of damage when cars get there. That's what the driver's just telling me. He says it's just a nightmare, and it takes a long time, anywhere from 45 to 90 days from the time that the car's built to it gets in California, because it leaves Bowling Green, goes on a truck, goes to a rail car facility, goes out to the West Coast to a holding facility, back off the truck, back off the train, back onto a truck, and then goes to the dealer and back off to the truck. A lot of handling there. You guys, sorry, California dealers. Gotcha, baby. But here's the fact, though. We do so much out-of-state business. Arizona, Nevada, don't forget about you. Oregon, Washington, got you covered too, man. You order a car from us, it comes to our dealership. Yeah, you got to pay a little extra to get it there, but you get it there without damaged door dings that are just endless, that he was telling me that go out that way. So that's something to be concerned with. So we get it here. We inspect the car. We get a private Carrier, all cleaned, prepped, ready to go, delivered right to your home. So yeah, people are like, Rick, yeah, what? I'm always giving you guys something to think about. And everybody that's been joining our channel lately, thank you so much for that support. Really keeping you in tuned and tapped into the Corvette customer and the marketplace right here on this channel. A little bit shorter vlog today, but just another opportunity to connect and communicate with you guys. Real quick, let's talk. I haven't had a chance. I want to talk about C8 here real fast. Haven't had a chance to play on the configurator, but I'm seeing some of these new colors and pictures popping up all over the place. What's going on? The trends are changing, huh? Look at my shirt. It's Chevy blue, baby. But the trends are changing. It's not 1977 where we got that Vega green. No, what's up with this new blue? This rapid blue? I freaking love it, man. This thing's hot. Look at this thing.
Ooh.
Oh, it's not like we came up with it all by ourselves. I mean, Ford's got their grabber blue. BMW has this blue. Porsche has this blue. It's the new... It's definitely the new trend. It's pretty cool. But now seeing that in the flesh, thank you, CorvetteBlogger.com. I appreciate that. That's a good-looking car. Now that the camo's coming off, you can start to formulate that opinion and really get an appreciation for the colors, how they're going to accent this new body. I got a lot coming up for you guys on this channel. We got some more interviews direct from Chevrolet that's going to give you more insight on the C8 mid-engine car. Tomorrow is our quick tip from Rick and your beautiful rides, and so much more to come. It's great to have you guys here. Thanks for taking the time to check in. And check the videos tab. As you hit that tab, you're going to see all kinds of other videos. If you've got time to kind of veg out on the couch and just watch these videos, I think you'll find them entertaining. I think you'll find them informative, interesting. I appreciate all that support, and I'm looking forward to the opportunities of doing business with you, whether it's C7 or C8. It's time, America, to stop dreaming and start driving.